Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I want to be thankful for transportation. Hey, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see all of our videos. I have been very blessed in transportation. The last vehicle that I had, lasted me 13 years and like 200,000 miles, and that was very fortunate. I've been in cases where I've gotten a vehicle and it hasn't lasted me but about a month or two, and then it needed to be junked. And I've been in cases where I've had some pretty good vehicles where they lasted me for a while, and then they started nickeling and diming me to the point where I couldn't afford to really keep them. So I want to be thankful for transportation today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you're thankful for in the comments below. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So if you're on any of those platforms, come check us out, and we'll be happy to interact with you over there as well. I really like Instagram myself, and I'm thankful for Facebook because that helps me get a little bit more people that know who I am and where I am. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.